Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to add product categories in your Shopify store. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. Firstly, you need to make sure that your products is all ready and make sure that it is active or is ready to sell. After that, we're going to head on over to online store, and from online store, click on pages. And now we're going to make pages according to the products that we have. As we remember, we have three products: shoes, jewelry, and shirts. So we're going to make pages that goes along with them. Going to put on shirts, save. One more page, shoes, save. One more page, which is our jewelry category. After making the pages, double check if your products and your pages is in line with each other, meaning if they are correlated. And from there, let's head on over to navigation and click on main menu. Now, as you can see here, we have the menu items: home, catalog, and contacts. Now we're going to add another menu item, which is categories. And then search or paste a link. We're going to select here homepage, then add. After making the categories in the menu items, we can adjust it to whatever place we want it to be. I'll put it here, for example. Now we're going to add or connect the products to the pages and the pages to the category section. Firstly, going to add menu item, which is first our jewelry. After that, search or paste a link. We're going to paste or going to click on products, which is, like I've said, we're going to connect the product to the page and from the page to the category section. So jewelry, click on jewelry, then add. Then next, shirt or shirts, products, and shirt. From this point, I think you get it already. What is our last product? Shoes. Shoes. Pages are in products, then shoes. Add. And from there, we will drag the three categories or the three products and the three pages into the category section. Simply hold on this part here, drag it, and make sure that you drag it to the right of the categories. There we go. Make sure that it is within the categories items or in the category section. The category is positioned slightly to the right, and make sure that it's in line with that. Shirts, going to drag it here once more, and shoes, going to drag it here once again. Now we're going to save. And now we have our category section as a drop down. And once we go to our page, online store, view your store, and from here, and as you can see here, the category sections is visible. And from there, you can simply click on it and you will see the products that we've just connected to the category section. Let's say we're going to choose jewelry. And as you can see here, the jewelry is in line with the page or is connected to the category section. And from there, as you can see, everything that we've connected to is going smoothly. So the simple premise is we're going to make products, we're going to connect them to pages, and pages we're going to connect it to our store. And that's how you make product categories in your Shopify store. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.